What's up guys, Arsenal from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change face expression on Canva. For example, I have this woman picture. It's a very very small smile, and I would like to make this woman angry. Here's the result, okay? How to do this for free on Canva is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva, find your design, okay, the wish design, the desired design, and review the left sidebar of menus. Click on apps. Once on apps, into search Canva apps, click and type AI face, just like this, AI face. Click on AI face expression. Here's the guide I'm looking for, AI face expression. Then you can choose a picture of you, okay? I recommend that you use this template right here, okay? For example, a picture that you would have on your document. Or you can select one of the pictures right here, all up to you, okay? I will select a pre-selected picture. Then I would like to change the expression. We have excited, small, big, small, sad, angry, serious, nervous, worried, calm. We have a couple of options right here. Let's try the big smile, okay? The big smile. Click on generate. Remember that every attempt requires a credit, and credits can be purchased on the app site, or you can use another Canva account to check it, but click on generate. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. Normally it's up to 10 or 15 seconds. Here's the result I got. Click on Add to Design. Let me make it a little bigger, just like this. So, let me go back to my Canva and place it right here, like this. And we got from this woman to this result. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!